Welcome back, friends. Just a few months ago, on 21st September 2024, I shared as in-depth analysis on BSE Limited, sector analysis, fundamental analysis, and technical analysis. Since then, these stocks had delivered an incredible 38% return. Today, I am bringing you an update with even cleaner analysis so you can understand what worked, what's next, and whether the journey of growth will continue. Stay tuned to discover the complete picture. I'm sharing the TradingView website. This is BSC Limited, and this is the daily chart. Okay. On 21st September, yes, here it is. This is 20th September. 21st September was, I think, Saturday, and 22nd Sunday. So 20th September share price was 3,982 rupees, and today share price is 5,460 rupees. And when you measure from this point, from 20th September to today price, it is showing 37% return. Okay, and due to fall in last 3 days, otherwise it had given 46% return in 3 months only. And BSE Limited, this video was the actually I have started my channel on 12th September, and this was the first recommendation when I have uploaded my video on YouTube. And one thing before moving further, I want to clear that this is disclaimer that I am not a SEBI registered advisor. This video I am creating only for the educational purpose. So you must research before buying, selling, or holding your company. Just moving to the monthly chart, and the monthly chart you can see here from May, no, from this point. Yeah, this is the highest point which made on March 2020. 2022, and from here to this point it was given 58% down. It was 58% down. Okay, from here, from March 2022 March 2023, in 1 year it was down 58%. Okay, and due to market fall. And from this point, from April 2023, from here it started moving upside, and from this point to this point it had given 491. It means 500% return. It means 5x return. And how many months? From April to November, April, May, June, July, August, September. In only 6 months, it become 5x. And after November 2023, it was in consolidation phase. Okay, from November 2023 to August 2024. Okay, and in September, it has given breakout. This is the breakout candle. And in September, it was up 30% up. Okay, and from September to December, it had given 100% return, 2x. Okay, so if you have not bought this stock as yet, you can make fresh entry. This is the perfect time to buy. And if you have already bought this the share of this company, and if you want to add the tranche, you can add here. but you should not sell it. This is not the time for profit booking. If you make profit, small profit, to 20%, 30% profit, then you will not get 100% profit or 200% profit. So you should wait and hold this kind of profit. And one more thing, this is the time you should watch the Nifty 50. Nifty 50 from September, you can see here from September to December, it is in downtrend. It is down to at least approx 9% down. Nifty 50 is 9% down. When Nifty 50, when market is down 9%, BSE Limited has given 38% return. So this is a very good indication for buying or for the stability of a company or a good index, fundamentally strong company. When you check the Nifty mid cap, Nifty mid cap, Nifty mid cap is also in consolidation phase after September 2024. And Nifty small cap, Nifty small cap is also in consolidation phase September 2024. So only your BSE Limited has given. So I have recommended, I think, approx seven shares, seven different companies share through this video, through this channel. And actually, I have one more channel. That channel is in Hindi. And in that channel, the name of that channel is Happiness All Around with Sanjeev. And in that channel, I have recommended 13 stocks. And out of 13 stocks, 11 stocks, 11 stocks have given positive return. So this is a you can understand like that. Out of 5,000 company, why I have chosen these 13 companies? And out of these 13 companies, 11 companies have given positive return. And two company is also in a down, not a perfect downturn. It has not given exit. So I have not recommended for the exit. And so this was the update analysis about the BSE Limited. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with others who could benefit from it. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update on financial tips and stock market insight. Have question or thoughts? Drop them in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, keep learning, keep investing, and take control of your financial future. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.